come. Here. They are coming. Hala. Come here. They're coming. Sus. Wait. Okay. Cook. Cook. Four. Nangipang ka man. The others just waiting for something to drop in the ground. Ala, impan naman oh. 5 of you now like that.
These guys are looking.
These guys are, they will come. Oh look. Family of 5. Oh, another one. 6. 7, 8. I can't believe this is happening. Oh. There you go. Sharing is caring. Happy family, nice bonding. Oops, careful. It's almost at the edge of the table. There. Oh. This is dry old utong. Oh, small kind. But I need to pick all this. Get there and up there. I get plenty beans from the garden. And the recipe for this, guys. Ano, tinaimas na luto na. Anong gagawin dito? Masarap siya. Okay. String beans or sitaw in Ilocano utong. Oh, look at this. Get plenty eggplant flour. Let's look if we can get something. I know, get one in here. Oh, there. It's good, the partner for the utong sitaw later, the string beans. So I will pick this. Whoop. Okay, so another morning routine, walk in the garden. And look guys, I have here a big sunflower. I will not water today since it's cloudy. And look at this. No more the petals though, but the seeds are very big. Very nice. And another one, I have here a young sunflower. That's why the center it look like this. The seeds are still developing. Nice morning. Okay, operation transplanting today. Transplant and sprouting. I get some bell peppers. Bell peppers. Then I need to separate them one by one. Just be very careful with their roots. Ayan, paghihiwalayin ko po yung mga bell pepper sprouts. And then we will plant in here. For the meantime, we will wait them until they grow a little bit taller. After that, we will plant them in their respective pot. Okay, done transplanting. These are red bell peppers. So let's give water. Okay, next I have here a sunflower, so it's mammoth gray stripe. Let's do this. Make the garden colorful. Sunflower.
No, just take out a little bit.
Close it very well, because this one it will last me maybe more than a year to sprout. So let's wait maybe 1 week. Hopefully we'll see something from here. Next, after lunch, of course, it's cooking time. Let's make some dessert. Hi everyone! Welcome to Mina's Day Vlogs once again. So for today's video guys, of course, I will be cooking because it's always been a part of my video. So you can see I am holding lianera, or they call it molder, and this is for my leche flan. Yes, this is a Filipino dessert. It's a egg custard. So I'm ready. I have here 3 molders. Let's start cooking. Let's start. One of the main ingredient for this custard or leche flan is egg. But I will be needing only the egg yolk. So let's crack the egg. Very simple. Just do like this. Because we need to remove the white part of the egg because we don't need that one. Just the egg yolk. There. So 1. Okay, so I will lightly beat the egg yolks. Next, add the sweetened milk or condensed milk. Likewise, the evaporated milk. So, carefully mix. Next is I have here calamansi. This is a Filipino lime. So I will grate this one, just the skin that I will be needing. This is for flavoring. But if you don't have calamansi like this, you can use the skin of lemon. Approximately, I will be needing a teaspoon of the skin or the zest. Okay, so I think I'm done with one. I still get one more. Okay, so that's the grated skin of the calamansi. Mix lang natin. Don't worry about the skin because I will strain later. Kailangan lang nating kunin yung lasa ng calamansi. We need to get the flavor of the skin of the calamansi. That's why mix for a few minutes. I can smell the calamansi. Next, like what I said earlier, I need to strain. So, salain po natin. By straining the mixture, it will make the leche flan smoother. So, ayan na, nakikita nyo, those are the grated calamansi skin. So, we remove that. And strain it not just one time, but you have to do it at least 3 times. So, I will set aside this for the meantime and I will make the caramel. Next, I have here the lianeras. So, 3. In making the caramel, I will be needing sugar. So, 2 tablespoons each. One more. And then a little bit of water. So, 1 tablespoon. Then I'd like to upgrade the taste. So instead of just sugar and water, I will add a drop of vanilla extract. There you go. For sure, this will give more flavor, more delicious leche flan. Just little. Next step, I will get this one and go to the stove. So I will warm this until it become caramel. Let's go. This is it, guys. Look, it's starting to become brownish, meaning malapit na siyang mag-caramelized. So this is it, perfect. I did 3. After cooling down the syrup, let's put now the leche flan mixture. Susunod, cover the molder with aluminum foil. In this way, hindi po tutulo yung tubig sa ating leche flan to avoid water from drifting into the leche flan. Lalagay natin dito. Careful lang. At magkakasya ang tatlo. So, nice. I will steam this for around maybe 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, let's check. Oh, I can smell. But I wanted to make sure. So, let me open one molder. Tingnan po natin. That looks nice. Perfect. And now, I will let this cool down for a few minutes. Afterwards, I will put them in the cooler. Ito yung last na in-open ko. And while waiting, let's go out and check outside. Oh, look at all these dark clouds, guys. No, it will not rain soon. These are not nimbus clouds. Instead, these are fog. According to the news, we will be slightly affected by the volcano eruption in the other island. And unluckily, I'm very sensitive to this fog. I get headaches, runny nose, watery eyes. Sometimes it's hard to breathe. That's why I need to stay indoor, relax muna habang inaantay yung leche flan. And guess what? I'm watching videos there. Okay guys, so after around 2 hours, the leche flan is already chilled. So, let's sample one molder for now. I hope, but if not enough for us and hubby, then we will go for the second molder. What you think? Oh, I'm so excited. Let's taste this. Unmold natin. I have here a knife at let's just do like this around the leche flan. Lumalabas na yung syrup. Ayan. Ayan siya. So, eto siya. Medyo lumalabas na yung syrup sa gilid-gilid. To unmold, do like this. Turn upside down. And then slowly press the center para ma-release yung ating leche flan. Oh, that easy. Eto siya. Oh, mukhang masarap, di ba? So, let's let's make a slice. Wow. Ooh, eto na siya. Oops. Eto yung Leche Flan. Ang sarap. Lalo na, lagyan natin ng syrup na ganyan. Wow. Parang gusto kong kainin lahat.